Dublin City Council is using drones across a broad range of our functions, from waste management, fire and emergency services, litter management and building inspections. We've developed a strategy for drone use in the organisation to build on the momentum we already have. We see that the evolution of drone technology is going to have a real impact on the city and how it functions, and we need to position ourselves so that we can facilitate the introduction and application of this technology for the betterment of the city.
So in Ireland, the drone sector is growing rapidly. There's been exponential growth over the last number of years. Lots of drone pilots, certification of drone pilots, and indeed certification of operators. The Irish Aviation Authority is very supportive of public sector bodies developing drone strategies, and indeed we're delighted to support this initiative by Dublin City Council to develop their drone strategy, where they will drive innovation and development in the drone sector.
Our mission at AvTrain is to encourage prolific drone operations and keep the skies safe through the highest standards of training and certification. We live by the 3Ds, so if it's dull, if it's dirty, or if it's dangerous, then a drone should be doing it. And now we're looking at the 3Ds with DCC. For DCC to be the thought leaders and the innovators in this area is critical for the capital city. This project can be used across all of the other local councils and also all public bodies that want to take advantage of the template and use it to implement a drone strategy.
So the strategy is actually part of a long-term process which began last year with work we did with Maynooth University to look at what was happening around the world, what local authorities were doing around the world to use drones to save lives and improve services. And eventually we came up with a roadmap of recommendations and timelines of how Dublin can really balance the needs of its citizens, the privacy, security, safety, with this really exciting new industry.
So the work that we're developing with drones is part of our Smart City programme, where we look at new and emerging technologies and see how we can future-proof our city.